everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I am here to inform you about Virgin Reach Legit. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of this website. You can take a look. And it is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with multiple and unique products including baby and kids items, appliances, baby bottles, baby bottle nipples, baby bottle liners, coffee makers, outdoor items, microwaves, home security products, kitchen products, etc. And talking about the prices of these offerings, so the prices of these offerings are too good to be true and pretty low. Now let's talk about the payment information of this website, guys. For that you need to visit the accepted payment method option. And the website accepts online payments via major credit and debit cards including PayPal and PayPal Credit. Now guys, let's know about the shipping policy of this website. This is the shipping policy page. And let's take a look at the standard shipping duration. So you can see the standard shipping duration for domestic shipments will be 5 to 7 days, and for international orders it will be 4 to 22 business days. So this was the shipping policy, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your loved ones and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, starting with the first important factor, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good notification, or you can say a good sign. But guys, talking about the domain information, so I would like to inform you all that when you'll check out the domain info of the site, you will find that this domain is redirecting to the other domain, which is mybigcommerce.com, whose domain creation date is 10th of December 2008. So this is not a good sign here, as the particulars website domain name is redirecting to the another domain name. Now guys, talking about the company's complete information, we need to visit the About Us page. So let's check out the About Us page. This is the information. But guys, you can see enough information is available on this page, and I'm not able to view any information regarding business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So this is not a good sign here. Now let's check out the contact details of this website, because we know that contact details plays a crucial role in defining a website's legitimacy. So guys, according to the website details, they have mentioned contact numbers, email address and company's official address, which seems to be fake, as well you'll check out this address on Google Maps, you will find the address of unknown building, or you'll get the information related to the contact details which is not legit. Apart from that, guys, the email which is available on this web page does not match with the domain name, which is again a biggest loophole, and this email is relevant to another domain name. So this is again a negative sign here that defines the fakeness of this website. Anyways, let's talk about the social media presence. So same here, guys, the website has no social media presence at all, which is a negative and a bad sign. Now let's check out the return policy of this website, guys, and for that you need to visit the returning your item menu option button. So you can see the website has mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product, as it will give benefit to other customers. And guys, talking about Virgin Reach reviews, we have found majority of negative reviews or feedbacks about the site on the internet. Most of the customers wrote negative feedback, and one of the customers said it is a common scam just ignore and move on. So this was the negative feedback about this website, and I would also like to inform you that no country name found in the technical data of the website according to our research. So this is again a negative sign. And guys, the site seems to be not much popular online and has too low traffic, or you can say ranked 0 among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. So this defines that the website may be a scam website. Apart from that, guys, the site has used the content of other websites, including the FAQ page content, and this is one of the biggest characteristics of a scam website. So in the fun conclusion, I would say this website is a fake website. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as it is a fake website. And yes, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys. And what do you think about Burgeon Reach Legit? Please comment your opinion in the comment box section. It will help other customers, and we would love to hear your views on the feedback. Guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.